there in my hand the Rubik's cube. So we have to do the one design into the Rubik's cube. So first we move it like this. Then second moves is like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this, like this. See, it is a already magic. It is called a design. So let's solve it. See, here is the green color, and here is the part that can be fixed. So I will do it's like this, and this part we have to put here. So let's bring it like this. So here begins the eye. So red color is here, and here is two red colors. So we have to rotate it like this. Like this. So this color is black, and here is two yellow is there, and here is the black 6 yellow. So let's rotate it. So see, now put this into 3 steps. So my god, it is a solid step. So let's do the cube assemble. I can do. See, let's see. Then first is the rotating step we have here in the Rubik's cube. So back. Oh my god, it is very good. So like my channel and subscribe my channel. And the last step is, it is very important in the Rubik's cube. 126 rotations. It is very important. Oh my god, it's a very good. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Please guys, I request you, please subscribe my channel. Everybody say only looking my video, not subscribing me. Please subscribe and support me.